Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the clock icon on your iPhone home screen. While Apple doesn't allow you to directly modify the system icons, there is a simple workaround that lets you use a custom icon instead. So in order to do it, we need the shortcuts application, which will be already installed on your iPhone. So first of all, use the search bar here on the top. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for the shortcuts application. Now when you are inside, tap on the plus icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, tap on the option of open app. If you don't see this option over here, you need to first of all tap on the option of add action, and then here in the search bar you can search for open app. Now since the option is already available here, I'm going to tap on the option of open app. Over here, tap on the option of app. Then it is going to show you the list of all of the applications which you can basically create the icons for. So since you want to do it for clock, you just have to look for the clock here in this list. You can also use the search bar and then you can search for clock. When you are able to find it, you just have to simply tap on its icon in order to select it. Now tap on this drop down menu here on the top. You will see the option of add to home screen. Simply select this option. Now it is going to show you this type of preview where you can see we have the clock icon and it is changed now. So you can change the color of it just like so. You can also change its icon over here just like so. So for example, let's say I've selected this icon and I'm going to give it this color. So once you have done that, you just have to simply tap on the option of add. You can also select the image option and you can basically choose any of the images on top of this icon. For now, I'm going to keep it as it is. Then tap on the option of done. Then it is going to redirect you here on the home page of your iPhone. So as you can see, it says new shortcut 1. When you tap on this shortcut icon, your clock will be opened, and this is how you will be able to customize the clock icon in your iPhone. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.